Diaper changing mistake you must avoid. Changing a baby's diaper is only one of the things a new mom has to do every day. Sometimes it gets messy and unpleasant, but she still has to do it. While she has so many other duties, she can do something wrong, miss something important, or just fail to pay enough attention to the baby. These mistakes may lead to dire consequences and sometimes they might even get dangerous. But in fact, changing a diaper isn't as difficult as most new moms think. It's only important to have certain rules in mind and stay alert at all times. Besides, it's also good to learn from the mistakes of others. So let's see what mistakes new mom make while changing a nappy and do our best to avoid them. Baby spa. Being distracted. It's easy to get distracted when you are so swamped, but do your best to avoid getting distracted while changing your baby's nappy. If you don't pay attention, something dangerous can happen in a split of a second. Besides, you can fail to clean your baby thoroughly or miss the first symptom or rash if you are distracted. So while you are changing the diaper, just be there and well change a diaper. Not having a change of cloth. When you go out with your baby, you obviously take a diaper bag with you. Before you leave, always make sure that you have a change of clothes in it. You might not realize it, but your baby's clothes can get soiled while you are changing the diaper. You don't want them to wear it, do you? So always have a pack of fresh clothes handy. Not washing your hands afterward. Some moms don't wash their hands after changing the diaper because they get too busy and just forget about it. However, you should never skip it. Washing your hands after changing the diaper is as important as doing it after going to the bathroom yourself. The reason is the same. You don't want the bacteria to spread to yourself, your baby, or anyone else in your house. Coming unprepared to the act of changing. Before you start changing the diaper, always make sure that you have had everything you need at hand. A fresh diaper? Check. A diaper rash ointment, cream, or whatever else you need to apply to your little one's skin? Check. The change of clothes? Check. Anything else you might need? Check. If you don't do it, you will end up taking both hands off the baby, turning around or leaving the room, which, as we have discussed, is a bad idea. Adjusting it improperly on the baby. You should always fasten the diaper securely on your baby's body, but keep in mind that it mustn't restrict your little one's circulation. Don't adjust the nappy too tightly and loosen it up if you have noticed that you did, but at the same time, don't make it too loose. If it isn't adjusted well enough, it can end up on the floor because your baby will just take it off by themselves. Using a diaper that's the wrong size. Babies grow quickly, and while you do resize their clothes regularly, it's also important to check whether you are using diapers of the proper size too. If you keep on using the diapers that become too little, the baby will feel uncomfortable. The risk of chafing will increase and blowouts might occur. So always make sure that the diaper size fits your little one. Keep in mind all of the things and avoid these diapering mistakes. Have a happy diapering journey.